Today we are at an ice cream shop. Let's learn how to order ice cream in English.
Hello, welcome to Storytime Ice Cream Shop. How are you today? I see. Thanks for sharing. Let's get started. Would you like a cone or a cup today? Good choice. How many scoops would you like? You can choose 1, 2, or 3 scoops. Great. Now, what flavor would you like? We have vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, our specialty flavor, rainbow, or any other flavor you like. Yum! A great choice. Now, would you like to add some toppings? Today, we have peanut butter candy, gummy bears, sprinkles, and chocolate drizzle on special. But if you have another favorite, just let me know. Great. Your total is $3. Would you like to pay with cash or card? Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Post your ice cream creation in the comments below.